Hey guys, please like, subscribe and support me. It gives me motivation. Today I am going to tell you about body holding mechanism. Boundary boss based tool helps to form this mechanism. This mechanism helps to hold the body. Let's see how it's work. A hole in a mechanism which has another body to hold this. Another body is a shaft and hole helps to stabilize the body. There are so many mechanisms for holding different types of body. You can disassemble or reassemble it by new parts. It is common and helps your machine gives a new life.